Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking for Kids show. I'm Sharni here at Healesville Library, and today we're going to make chocolate brownies. Yum. Before we get started, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land, the Wurundjeri people. And I'd like to take another moment to ask you a question. Before you get into the kitchen, have you washed your hands? I hope so. I've washed mine, so let's get into it. So for these chocolate brownies, we're going to try and keep it pretty simple. We have 6 ingredients: eggs, butter, caster sugar, cocoa, plain flour, and vanilla paste. And for the method, we have 5 steps. Okay? The first step is to ask your adult to get the oven on to 160 degrees. Then we're going to put the ingredients we need to melt in our saucepan. Those are the butter, sugar, and cocoa. Butter in, sugar in, beautiful cocoa. All right, now we're going to take it over to the stove and start to mix it together. So we've been stirring this on low heat for a few minutes now, and as you can see, the butter is melted, the sugar's dissolving, and the cocoa is spread right through the whole mixture. So it's just a matter of gently stirring on a low heat until your mixture looks like this. Okay, so that was step 2. Now we're up to step 3, which is spooning this mixture into a bowl. Getting it all in. There we go. And then we add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla paste. I'm using vanilla paste because I believe it's magic. Oh, I love vanilla so much. Okay. And the eggs, 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have to do the whisking. So we get our whisk in our bowl and off we go. Whisking, whisking, whisking quickly. Okay, so I've just whisked all the eggs and vanilla into the mixture and it looks amazing. Look at that. And now the last part of step 3 is to sift the flour and whisk that in as well. So I have a very fine sieve and here's my flour. I'm just going to tip it in and then I'm going to tap it. A tip and a tap into the mixture. It's like snow, isn't it? It's so lovely. All these tactile things you get to do in the kitchen. That's what I love about cooking. So we've sifted and now we're whisking again. And these brownies, I'm so excited. So excited. Brownies. Now let's talk about occasional foods. So making chocolate brownies is not something you would do every day. This kind of food is an occasional food. So kind of save it for special occasions. Why? Probably because it's got so much sugar in it. Beautiful, voila! Look at this, we have step 3 complete. All right, up to step 4. This part is where we pop it in a tin that's been lined with grease-proof baking paper. Now I'm going to have to scrape the last bit out. Into the tin, and we're going to pop that in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So after step 4, we're up to step 5, which was just to take the brownies out of the oven, let them cool in the tin, and then cut them up to serve, just like this.